Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are making these two ingredient snacks. It is so easy and so simple to make. It is for children, it is for adults. And mothers, you can make this for your kids while they are on this long summer holiday to keep your children's mouth busy. You can see how it's looking. It's so crunchy. Just make it, put it in an airtight container, leave it in your fridge or in an airtight container, and then from there you can take and snack on. So guys, if you want to see how this simple snack is made, then watch this video to the end. Let's go start. So guys, for our two ingredient simple snacks, all we need to use is flour, cooking oil, salt, and water. So what I'll do now is to get my clean bowl and pour in the flour. I'm using 3 cups of flour, but you can use more or you can use less. A teaspoon of salt, then a tablespoon of cooking oil. I just use my eye to gauge it. Then you just keep mixing. This is so simple and you can use this to keep your children busy this long holiday. Just fry it, put in your can, and they can snack on it. And it is very good for adults and children because there's no sugar. So just rub in the flour into the oil. Let it mix very well. And when you are done, you just add in water. Just add the water little by little so that you get the right dough. You know it's okay when it is no longer sticky and you don't have flour around your bowl again. You don't have to knead, just work with your fingers. So after working, this is what you have. You can see there's no loose flour in your bowl again. So you allow this to rest for like 3 minutes. But before I allow it to rest, I'll get some cooking oil. I'll just use to rub it like this. Rub it like this and allow it to rest. So guys, after 3 minutes, the dough has rested. Then I now roll out to cut. But before we do that, please, if you are seeing me for the first time and you haven't clicked that red button to subscribe, it doesn't take anything from you. Just hit that subscribe button. If you've been following me, thank you so very much. Keep liking and keep sharing. And please share to mothers so they can make these simple snacks for their children while they are on summer holiday. So after cleaning, I'll now sprinkle some flour on the table. Get it out. I won't be rolling it once, so it will be so easy for me. So I'll cut it into two. Cut it into two like this, and you have to roll so thinly. When I mean thinly, I mean thinly. You can even use your hand to tear it apart. You don't need any type of shape. Any design you want to cut, you cut, but it just has to be thinly rolled out. So guys, you can see how how thin it is, the rolling. See? This will make you so crunchy. So after rolling, you cut into any shape that you want. So this is the way I cut mine. Get my plates and now put them in. While I'm doing this, the oil is heating up on the fire. So guys, most times when I'm making these snacks, I just like to sprinkle some sesame seed on it for that extra crunch. So you see, I've rolled this one so thinly. Sprinkle the sesame seed. You see what it looks like. Then I will now roll out. So guys, the oil is hot. So I'll now pour in the cut dough. Don't worry, they'll all separate when it gets into the oil. I tell you, if you make this for your kids or for your guests, they'll so love you because it's so crunchy and so sweet. Despite the fact that there's no sugar, it has this amazing and wonderful taste. So guys, just keep stirring like this. You know they are okay when they keep sounding like this on the fire. You see it's so crunchy now. That's when you know that they are okay. And it's a bit brown, not too brown, a bit brown. I can perceive the aroma, the amazing aroma in my kitchen now. And I can't wait to devour this. So guys, they are okay now. You can see that it's not too brown. I'll just take them out, get your sieve with your kitchen towel, and then put them in to take out the excess oil. This is what we have here. You can see how it's sounding. So after frying, this is what we have. You can see how nice they are looking. So simple. Under 5 minutes, you are done. No sugar, so it is adult and children's friendly. 2 ingredients snacks you can make for your kids and for your guests. So you can just put this in an airtight container and store in the fridge or on your kitchen counter, and you are good to go. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment, I say thank you so very much. Keep liking, keep sharing, and I will see you in my next. Thanks and bye-bye.